Hi, hello. Welcome to the next, chapter into this series, Learn AI. So today we will be, going through the rise of AI. We'll understand the basics of AI. So if we start that, what exactly is AI? AI is something where we make, machine efficient. Where whatever the humans can do, we are, teaching our machine to do all those things. So, if we see that what is the value of AI by 2030, if I would say that by 2030 the overall AI revenue that it's going to generate is enormous. It's around 13 to 14 trillion. And if we see that the current stage where we see that chat gpt, it's generative ai, and itself generative ai will be having its pie of around 3 to 4 trillion. So a massive we see a growth of ai by upcoming next 4 5 years. So if we are not diving into, if we are not touching the ai, we definitely we will be putting ourselves aside or what is there in future for us. So if we broadly classify the ai in a very basic term, like if we have to classify the ai, so what I feel that ai we can classify in the like ani, which we say that artificial narrow intelligence, where you can say that all of your initial development which was done, like if we say that the chatbots and the self you know driving cars, those are the example of artificial narrow intelligence. And after that there is agi, that is artificial um, generative intelligence. I'm really sorry, please forgive me for my writing skills. So yes, I just want to explain more whatever I'm talking. Uh, it's better to understand in that way, but I'll try as I move ahead into this series. So AGI, we can say that your Gen AI, which is like your Chat GPT, and the next is artificial general intelligence, where it's too far away, because in artificial general intelligence is something where whatever the human is thinking, whatever the human is possessing, whatever uh, our mm, thoughts, that is okay. We have gained a lot in artificial generative ai, but general intelligence is too far away, and I would say that still we are into the development. Companies are working on it, people are working on it, but it is our, it will take more and more decades, or I would say that our upcoming generation will be able to utilize the agi. So there's the basic the uh, way where we can define uh, or we can classify the ai. And what I've seen that the different terminologies and are used in artificial intelligence, like AI, ML, deep learning, and generative AI, and now the LLMs are very popular in the industry. So, what how we can broadly categorize, like AI is something where we have we taught machine, we have so far, and we have make them efficient that they are performing like humans. So broadly, if I draw, if I want to draw like the this circle, we can say that this is the AI, and the subset of it is ML, machine learning. After that, a subset of it is DL, which is deep learning. And then nowadays we see that lots of Gen AI here with the Chat GPT revolution, things have changed. So you can say that it's Gen AI. So these terminology are interrelated a lot, and if we have to say that what is AI, which is not M. So if in the early days, there IBM have developed a deep blue kind of technology, which they have created a game where through artificial intelligence a player was playing with the human, and they've developed a chess game initially, which they differentiate the the blocks and the white and the blacks in a different way, and they just plan the moves. So this is what we can say, that is AI, which is not ML. So now the next thing is, what is ML, which is not PL. So in machine learning, we say that it's data driven. So machine learning is an algorithmic technique where whatever machines are learning, they are whatever the data is feed in, they are just providing you the result on the basis of that data. So they are predicting the result on the basis of the data they are having, and that is also called supervised learning. And that's tabular data where they are predicting like on the basis of no, I would say the house uh, prediction of house prices on the basis of inputs. So that with that we can say that prediction of house price is D is M. And what is DL, which is not generative AI? So it's deep learning, where it's something which is we can relate to our human brain, where lots of neurons, lots of network, lots of permutation and combinations are these. So where we can say the deep learning, where the natural language processing, like yourself, your driven car, driving cars, or something like that, we can say that it's DL, which is not Gen AI. And what is Gen AI? Gen AI is, as the term itself says, generative AI. So far, whatever the intelligence we have built into our systems, into our computer, was that whatever the data there was A, we know that what is the output B. So we are giving that output for all these techniques. But generative AI is something which, on the basis of the data which they have, they are predicting the next, what would be next. Initially it was they were predicting the next character. Then as it has grown, they were predicting the next word. And nowadays we can say that they are predicting the next sentence. So if I say that uh, I what would be the okay. So if I've given only this, so what should be so they will be predicting the Gen AI, through Gen AI, they will be predicting the next word. And now they are so much efficient that they will predict the next sentence as well. So in this field, in the Gen AI, there are lots of development is happening. Like there is LLMs are there, which are called a large language model. There is latest is agentic AI, where so many models are interacting, and they're producing the they're predicting, they're generating, I would say predicting, I was generating the the outcome of your queries. So if this is what, in a very basic form, I try to explain what is AI. And as we move it, we will learn more and more things like what is nowadays a very popular rat. So we are going to cover that as well. And in this series, we will be learning all these concepts through the theory and as well as the practical. Soon we will be saying hello world to AI. So we'll also develop the things, how to develop smaller program, because through these small steps only we'll able to learn more into AI. So that's for the today. And as in the next upcoming video, we'll be learning more about what is the bad, and um, we'll be unfolding more and more hints into the theoretical concepts of AI, as well as we'll be as we're moving ahead, we'll learn more and more practical oriented things as well into AI. Thanks for watching the video. Just keep watching this space for learning the AI with the smaller steps. Thank you.